Ever had an issue with the brass end on your hose? Maybe it's leaking or has come away. Well, look no further. Here's an easy solution to replace the brass fitting with a trouble-free Hoselink Hose Connector so you can get back to watering. To switch out an existing brass fitting for a Hoselink Hose Connector, you'll need the following items: an AU 14mm hose connector with flow control, provided by our customer support team and made specifically to fit Hoselink's 9/16" hoses, secateurs, and a cup of hot water. First, disassemble the hose connector with flow control. Next, cut your existing hose straight across, removing the brass end. Then, slide the nut from the hose connector onto the hose, and place the white split ring onto the hose, ensuring the ring is flush with the end. Next, soften the end of the hose by dipping it into about 1 inch of hot water for 10 seconds. Then firmly push the hose down onto the barbed stem, ensuring the end of the hose sits flush with the base of the stem. Slot the hose end into the body of the hose connector with flow control. Then screw the nut on tightly. That's all there is to it. No more leaky brass fittings. You're all finished and ready to water.